If you're a business owner, chances are you have asked yourself one of the following things. Why is my competitor getting these big deals? Why aren't I getting the business that they're getting? Or maybe you've asked yourself, why is my marketing not working? Why am I not getting the results I should be getting? We have the answers for you. You've probably heard the stat that 9 out of 10 businesses fail. Why is that? I have one word for you: marketing. And it's not that they got the marketing right, they got the marketing wrong. That's the key that can make or break your business. I know because I've been there. For nearly 20 years, I've owned and run companies right here in the South Coast of Massachusetts. And I know what it's like to be frustrated by your competition seemingly getting an edge over you. The bottom line is that marketing is about results. And if you are looking to finally generate results from your marketing, then you need to learn a marketing system. And that's exactly what we're going to teach you at our upcoming workshop, The Path to Profits. You're going to enjoy some great food, we're going to have lots of fun, and it's going to be a free event where you get to network with your peers and learn the secrets to how you can grow your business and never again have to ask yourself why your competitors are getting the clients that you should have. We'll look forward to seeing you there.